Hello everyone, I am Kiran from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today I am going to discuss one of the topic in theory of computation, and the topic was selected from the research paper. The research paper name is An Introduction of Theory of Computation. Let's see abstract. The theory of computation is a field that explores the limits of what can be computed by machines, divided into three core areas: complexity theory, computability theory, and automata theory. Complexity theory classifies computational problems based on the resource required, such as time and space, while computability theory investigates which problems are solvable in principle. Automata theory studies abstract machines and their ability to solve computational problems, particularly through the lens of formal languages. This foundational field underpins modern computer science and mathematical logic. Introduction. The theory of computation explores the fundamental aspect of how machines process and solve problems. It is a foundational field in computer science and mathematics that focus on the capabilities and limitations of computation. The classical theory deals with transforming input strings of symbol into output strings, often framed as pattern recognition tasks like producing a yes or no answer. The theory is divided into three main areas. First is automata theory, and second is computability theory, and next is complexity theory. Automata theory, which studies abstract machines and their capabilities. Computability theory, it investigates what can be computed in principle. Complexity theory, which examines how efficiently a problem can be solved using resources like time and space. Next, let's see what are the methodologies used in this research paper. First is literature review and conceptual analysis. A review of the fundamental concept is in automata theory, computability theory, and complexity theory. Each area is analyzed with example focusing on the relationship between computational problems and their inherent difficulties. Next is theoretical framework. In complexity theory, problems are classified based on time and space complexity, introducing classes like P, NP, N, and NP complete and XP time. The relationship among these complex classes are discussed. Computability theory. The study involves algorithms and problems that can or cannot be solved by machine, introducing concepts like charge turning thesis. Automata theory, which focus on abstract machines, example deterministic finite automata and formal languages, explains how machine process strings of symbols and recognizing patterns. Next methodology is abstract problem solving. Computational models such as finite automata are used as tools to study formal languages and computational problems they can solve. The methodology emphasizes abstract the theoretical machines that can be implemented in actual computers. Complexity theory. Complexity theory is a branch of theory of computation that focus on measuring how difficulty it is to solve computational problems using resources such as time and space. It classifies problems into complexity classes including P, problem solvable in polynomial time, NP non-deterministic polynomial time, NP hard and NP complete, which the problems for which no known polynomial time algorithm exist. EXP time exponential time problems. This theory helps to determine whether efficient algorithm exists for specific problems and defines the practical limit of computation. Computability theory. Computability theory, also known as recursion theory, explores the limits of what can be computed by algorithms. It addresses the question of whether a problem can be solved by a computational method regardless of time or resources. The field oriented with the work of Alan Turing and Alonzo Church, leading to the formation of the Church-Turing thesis, which states that a function that can be computed algorithmically is an computable function. This theory is crucial for distinguishing between problems that are solvable and those are inherently solvable by any algorithm. Automata theory. Automata theory studies abstract machines known as automata and the computational problem they can solve. Automata are used to model systems that process input symbols and transition between different states. The most common types of automata are finite machines. Automata theory is closely linked to formal language theory as automata recognize specific set of strings called formal languages. It play a crucial role in compiler construction, artificial intelligence and formal verification. Conclusion. The theory of computation provides a foundational understanding of the limits of what can be computed, categorizing it into complexity theory, computability theory, and automata theory. Each area plays a crucial role in understanding algorithmic efficiency, the nature of computable functions, and the capabilities of the abstract machines. By exploring these concepts, we gain valuable insights into the understanding principles that govern computation and its applications in computer science, ultimately guiding the development of efficient algorithms and computational models. Thank you for watching this video.